Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It's Vinny with Lifted, Leveled, and Lowered. I'm with my little buddy. Say hi, introduce yourself.
What's going on? This is Javier. Just hanging out with Vinny today.
We have a crazy day. So for starters, we're going to an FGCU car show. I know a lot of people there. There's going to be a lot of really cool cars. Our buddy Andrew's going to be there. And then after that, we're going to try to get over to Immokalee Airport, which they're doing a half-mile want to go fast drags. There's a list of cars that goes on and on and on and on. We know a few people doing that today, so we're going to check that out too.
Shameless plug.
Sure.
Check out Auto Aesthetics Detailing on Instagram. Like, share all the posts. And that's about it.
I'll put a little caption. All right, guys, we just got here and go see some friends.
That red carbon looks amazing. It looks beautiful. It's a beautiful car.
So we're sitting here talking about how we don't like the Bugatti.
Seriously, like the money difference, the difference you get when you buy the car. Literally, like you buy a Chiron, and they send it to you on probably like a flatbed or whatever delivery service you.
Well, hold on, time out. We're talking about the Ford GT here, and the big difference is in the Ford GT, you get a guy that comes with the car, he explains it, breaks it down for you, comes from Ford. You get a Bugatti, they show up in like some busted trailer.
They're like, here.
And they give you a box.
You have to figure it out. We put millions of dollars into this, and you have to figure out how to use everything.
There's a guy on YouTube that he did a, I watched his video on the Ford GT.
I believe,
what's his name?
Drag Time?
Drag Time.
Shout out to Brooke.
Yeah.
Brooks.
And then his buddy bought the Bugatti. And what a difference. And I'm not a fan of the Bugatti, don't get me wrong. If I can afford one, that's cool. It's a beautiful car. If you can afford one, God bless you.
Beautiful artwork.
I'm going to show you guys a GT2 that I think just blows it away. What do you think?
Fucking gorgeous. Is it Mexico blue? Miami blue?
Miami blue. I call it teal.
Some crazy Porsche color.
Yeah.
It looks gorgeous though. Freaking.
Give me your Instagram.
Oh, my Instagram is at Abstract Faith. On Instagram, literally, Abstract Faith, that's it. And you can check out my music and all other stuff. I'm not trying to plug my mixtape.
But he is. But he is.
I'm a car guy at heart though too, so hey.
So now the next question is, if you're not a fan of the Bugatti and you have cake, what do you buy?
Koenigsegg off back, and if not, a Zonda Cinque. There's nowhere other way to go.
How do you disagree with that? How do you disagree with that? Both beautiful cars, super fast, crap on this thing, and for a lot less money. No,
again,
not a lot less.
Don't hate me. Don't hate me. It is still a beautiful car regardless. But it's just, you know, to each his own.
So you guys may not know, a lot of you young bucks, what an 8-track player is.
Old school, big time
old school 8-track player, 8-track tapes. I wish the owner was here because I'd love to show you physically a tape, but I'll show you what this car has. I think it's really cool.
He's over here antiquing shit.
Old 8-track in there.
What are you doing, bro?
Oh, hey, family friendly. You gotta keep it family friendly.
Remember your shorts, bro.
Yeah, luckily I'm wearing black boxers, so that should camouflage it. But is there like a Target on the way to?
All right, guys, we just got to the Go Fast event. Got my buddy Mike here with me. A couple other stragglers.
Left lane Camaro, right lane Hellcat.
So here's the downer. The track is way over there, and it's really hard to get good footage. Kind of bummed. We're gonna try our best to get you some stuff.
163 miles an hour.
We'll see. There's always tomorrow. We just finished up at the Wanna Go Fast event here in Immokalee, Florida at the Immokalee Regional Airport. Very cool event, different. I've never done anything like this before. How about you, Javi?
No, this is actually my first time at one of these events.
And in your words, how would you explain this event?
Unique. You don't really get this experience out in this area too much. Getting to see all these cars traveling from across the state to come here. You got cars from Georgia and Alabama out here who are racing.
And Texas. A couple groups from Texas out here. But man, they're moving. I think the fastest time today was a Huracan doing 217 miles an hour.
Which was just recently beat at 230 by the same Huracan.
Wow, 230 miles an hour. So that's the type of event that was today. Had a really good time. Got to see Zach from Nerve Speed, a couple other good people. We were going to come back tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's going to rain tonight.